Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Charge 4 and Android phone, and I'm going to show you how you can pair these two devices. So at first you have to just power on your speaker by tapping once on the power button. And right now just take a look right here. In my case the speaker is not in the Bluetooth pairing mode automatically, so we have to put this phone to the pairing mode manually. Tap once on this Bluetooth button. One more time. Okay, as you can see, it works after a second time, but if you still have problem and this icon is not blinking, you can click and hold for like 2 or 3 seconds. So when this Bluetooth icon is blinking, it means that right now the speaker is in the pairing mode and is visible to other devices. So right now you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this kind of the switcher, and then you have to take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, the JBL Charge 4 appears on the list, so you have to simply tap on it once, and then you have to accept the pairing code. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can connect these two devices. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.